So this is gonna be a freeform bread tutorial. All you gonna really need is water and this right here, a rag, a washcloth, whatever you need for it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to wet your hair a little bit like this. You wanna put your hair in the sink, get it a little wet. See, I already got them what I want, so I'm not gonna do it, but let's see. So what you're gonna want to do is, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take the towel. You're just gonna circular, you're gonna go in circular motions all around your head. You're gonna do that for like a year. No, I did it for like a year, and then I let my hair grow for like a long time. And then I did it again, but I do it now like once every 2 weeks. And when you first start, you're not gonna wash your hair every single day, cause number one, it's gonna dry out your hair, and number two, it's gonna untwist your hair. And if you want singles like this, if you want singles like how this is, you want to separate it. You're just gonna want to go through and separate it every now and again, so it don't start locking up like this, cause you probably don't want picture is like this. Cause you see that's like 5 and 1 on God. Like, I don't know where this hairstyle originated from, but I stay in Florida and I see a lot of people down here with it. So I'm gonna say it's a Florida hairstyle, and maybe from Jamaica too, which I don't really know about Jamaica. I ain't never been to Jamaica before. But yeah, a lot of the kids in my school be trying to get in here to be asking me, on Instagram they be asking me, bro, how you get your hair like that? How can you get my hair like that? All them type of questions. It just be crazy, because when I started doing it, no one really like videos like that. So yeah, but that's about it for this video. If you like the video, like and subscribe. It's super simple. Oh. And when you sleep, I be wondering like how you sleep with Freeform dreads. So you need a couple of these hair ties right here. You need a couple. So what I do is I put my hair in a ponytail sometime at night. What I do is push over here in a ponytail. You want to do is you want to put your hair in a little ponytail. You see how that is? Just a little simple ponytail. I ain't never worn a ponytail to school, but I wear it on the house. That's about it though. Well, yeah, and another Congo right here. I don't know if I can see that, but that's about to be all for this video. And if you don't want them to be super skinny, combine them. Like, I got the little clips to combine them, make them thicker. See, it was 3 little skinny ones, and I made it into 1. Cause I don't want to fall out of nothing, cause that be happening when you let them get too skinny. Yeah, that's about all for this video. Y'all, another 360. That's about it for this video. I'll talk to y'all later.